Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to study last minute for economics, easy method. Start by listing the 3 most tested models and the key formulas for each. Next, set a 90-minute session broken into 25-minute sprints with 5-minute breaks. Use past questions to judge high-yield topics and write 1 paraphrased summary per model. Finish with a timed 20-minute mixed practice set to simulate exam pressure. Begin active review by converting summaries into quick flash questions and answer them out loud for recall practice. Speak explanations to an imaginary student and time each teaching segment to 5 minutes so you stay concise. Rework 1 past question fully, showing each step and formula used, and then compare your approach to the model answer. Rotate through models until you can explain each clearly in under 2 minutes. If you're finding these tips useful, please subscribe and like so I can make more quick study guides that actually help. Quick recommendation. A book that can truly change how you think about money is The Simple Path to Wealth, and I found it helpful for practical framing when studying micro and macro trade-offs. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Manage limited time by weighting study toward your weakest areas while keeping practice strengths warm. Create a simple plan: 2/3 review, 1/3 timed practice, and a short recap before the end. Use a digital timer to enforce strict intervals and avoid drifting into low-yield minutiae. For any question that stalls you, mark it and return after a short sprint so you maintain momentum and confidence going into the exam.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.